Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronze Lock Picker 60 and today's challenge lock is titled No U-Turn by Captainjim318. He sent me this last week sometime. I've been busy and with the holidays haven't had a chance to pick it, but let's see if we can pick it today. Alrighty. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. So, I'm going to try counterclockwise. See if I can get this puppy open. Let me switch to my Attila. Hi, hon. Counterclockwise again. Captain Jim, thanks a lot for sending me this lock. Apologize, it took forever. Whoa, there we go. That was surprising. It opened up on 3. And the other way, Angelo. I'm glad I got it open this quickly because the missus is home. And you know what that means. Dinner time. Alright, so. Alright. Let's see what Captain Jim had put in this. Let me get this down. I gotta stand up and see what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay. Apologize for that. Yay, nay. Maybe not. Okay. Let's crack this baby open the old-fashioned way. See what Captain Jim had put in this. Okay, got that. Detent spring. And it's still unlocked. Never know what he has in here, so yeah, right here. Yep. Feeling some resistance there, but I'll stop it right there. And ride this puppy all the way through. Okay. Okay. Where's Ajave? Let's see what he got here. Alright, looks like threading in 1, undercut in 2, 3, 4, and threading in 5. And we got the key. Oh wow. Like butter. And as you can see, they all had to be picked. So, let's see what we got. Okay. I'll call these out once I get them out. Let's take another look. Yeah, yes, as I called it. Cool. Okay, number 1 is a multiple serrated key pen. Number 2 is standard. 3, as you can see, is a spool, double spool with a small diameter on the top. And come on, baby. There we go. A little spool, almost looks mushroomy, and also a little narrow on the top. And 5. Threaded. Okay, let me get the shim out of the way. And make sure I have this the right way. And when I set these pins, these drivers down, they're going to be oriented the way they would be in the lock. Okay, cord it. Let me get my dental pick, as I call it. Okay, it's a short and loosely bound spring. Let's see if we can shed some light here. Come on, baby. Alright. That is, I'll call that a spool with a small diameter on the top. I lost the spring, but it seemed to be the same spring as the first. that pin looks the same as the second one. Okay. Seems like the springs are going to be the same. Okay, let's go to the rear. And it kind of looks the same as 2 and 3. Come on, spring. And the springs are all the same. That's standard. Oh, come on. Yep. Springs are all the same. When I get a hot minute, I'll look for that one that I lost. It's all copper springs. And yeah, nothing done to the Bible. So let's show you what we got here. If I don't drop this. Okay. As you see, 1, double serrated. 2, standard. Double spool there. This is a spool. Double serrated. Serrated driver. And all these 3, I consider them to be like mushroom, except for number 4, which is standard. And all the springs were copper. And I'll locate the one that I lost. Alright, everyone. Well, thanks for joining me on this. Please be safe, be legal. And as always, stay calm and pick on. And Captain Jim, thanks a lot for sending me this lock. It was a blast picking it. A lot of fun. Nice pins. And take care, everyone. Bye-bye.